Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In today's video we will solve geometry problem in which we will find the value of x. So you can see a triangle in which this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 60 and this angle is 30, and the sum of angle in a triangle is always 180. And the interesting thing that is given is area of this triangle is 246 centimeter square. So we will solve this as you can see that opposite to this smallest angle, this side will be smallest. So we will represent this side as by x, and the longest side will be this angle is greater 90 degrees, so this will be the double of this side, this is 2x. And by Pythagoras theorem we will find the value of the base. So by Pythagoras theorem we know that hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. It's mean that if hypotenuse is 2x square, so base is the base you have to be find out, and the value of perpendicular is x square. So to find the base value, we will write this as 2x square minus x square. Now we will open this square, so that is 4x square minus x square. So 4 minus 1 is 3, this is 3x square. So to find the base value, we will take square root on both sides. So this square is cancelled out by this square root, and value of base will be square root 3x. Then we will apply the formula of area. According to that, area equals 1 by 2 multiply base and multiply height. So now substitute all the values in this. So area value is given, that is 246. So 246 equal 1 by 2 multiply base is square root 3x plus multiply height, that is x. So 2 is multiplied by 246 and square root 3 is divided. So we get x square equal this. Now we will solve this further in a very easy and simple way, because we have to find the value of x. So we will write this as 2 multiply 246 divided by square root 3 equal x square. So 246 multiply 2, this is 492 divided by square root 3 is x square. So by taking the square root on both sides, we will get value is square root 492 by square root 3. This is the value of x. This is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video we will solve another most important Olympiad math problem. So best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.